Hey then welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you very quickly how you can generate the iOS 26 like liquid glass effects for your CSS projects. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser in your device, and here you need to search for glassmorphism.com. Once you do that, here you're gonna see this first website with appear right in front of you. Just simply hit over there, and once it opens you can see this particular liquid glass effect, and right in front of you you can change the values according to your need. Once you are completely satisfied with your settings, all you need to do is to just simply hit this copy css button, and the css code for the same settings will be copied to your clipboard. Now you can use it anywhere in your css project for free and give your ui looking a very fresh look. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.